It's September 24th, that means one thing, new iPhone release date. So I've gone for the iPhone 13 Pro this time. I've got it in gold, 256GB version. I'll get this unboxed very soon. I've not even opened it yet. But I've gone from the Pro Max to the Pro because this year there was no difference aside from the screen size and the battery, any actual camera performance between the two phones. So I'm super excited to test out the cinematic mode to see what that's like. But let's get this unboxed now and then we'll get it set up and then just show you at the end what cinematic mode's like for a talking head perspective, and then there'll be future videos coming very soon. So let's go. So let's get this unboxed. So this year I've gone for gold. I had Pacific Blue last year and I was really tempted with a Sierra Blue, but I thought for this year let's get something different and let's go for gold. It's not too in your face, it's not massively bling, but it's something different. So this is what the gold looks like if you are thinking about which colour to go for. So you don't get any actual plastic wrapper on the front anymore. This is what the phone looks like, and I've not opened it yet, and boy this looks nice. And as I said, I've gone for the smaller size this year just because I think the 12 Pro Max was great, but it was pretty big, especially in a pocket. So you've got the really nice gold on the sides here, and then the back is like a goldy cream colour, and then you've got the gold accents around the lenses as well. So it's super nice without being too much in your face. So in the box you don't get much anymore. You do get your charging cable and you do get this. We don't get any headphones, you don't get the power brick. We haven't had that last year either. That's the new thing that Apple are doing and other phone manufacturers. You do still get your SIM card ejector pin. You get some instructions and little things here. I won't even call it instructions. You're never going to read that. And you do get a nice Apple sticker. So that's basically it. Don't get much in this box anymore, which is not a good thing. It's not a bad thing either, I suppose. But let's just put this away and then we'll take this off to show you the screen. So I am liking this gold colour, it does look nice. Let's just get this off. That looks absolutely stunning. I really do like that gold on the side of it. Let's get this turned on. Try not to get the reflection from the big light behind. It's got fingerprints on it already. That's a great start. So it's got a new hello welcome screen on it. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go through this. I'm going to get it set up to my actual iCloud and everything that I had on my old phone, and then once it's on I'm going to go straight onto that cinematic mode and then test out in the same location, same studio, and then see what that's like for a talking head video, and there'll be more to come. But yeah, the size of this is really nice. It's a lot easier for me to hold coming from that Pro Max. This feels obviously smaller, but it's still, that screen is big enough. The actual notch on the front of it here has got smaller. They say it's got 20% smaller, so you have a bit more real estate on the actual screen. But yeah, I'm really liking the colour of it. Will be a fingerprint magnet. I might try and go caseless on this. I'm not sure, but it does look nice. It's not too much in your face, but by still having that premium feel and look about it. So let's get this set up and then we'll back to you in a minute when it's all set up. Okay, so it's updated and now gone straight into cinematic mode, and I'm using this now on the iPhone 13 Pro, and you can see it looks really good. 1080p 30 is the max you can do at the moment on this, which means in future they're probably going to change this, but 4K isn't an option just yet, but 1080p is more than good enough. Now for a studio setting, if you're thinking about setting up a YouTube channel or you use your phone for recording video, this cinematic mode is what we wanted for so long. You can see now that the background is more out of focus, and then afterwards, once I've finished filming this, I can then go into the settings, click edit, and then I can actually change that focus, maybe move the focus points, turn the blur down up and down even more. You've got really good control over that f-stop. So this is fantastic to see. So the iPhone 13 Pro in gold looks stunning. I'm really looking forward to doing and using more features on this. More videos coming soon on this phone, together with accessories that you can use on this phone as well. And use this phone as your all-in-one filmmaking masterpiece. Take care guys, I'm Darren, thanks for watching, and we'll see you all soon. Bye bye.